Welcome back to the Dream Cars, where the thrill of design meets the power of performance. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated SUV launches from India's rugged automotive powerhouse, the Mahindra Scorpio 2026. If you thought the last generation was bold, wait till you see what Mahindra has done this time. Right off the bat, the Scorpio 2026 looks more aggressive, refined, and ready to dominate. The redesigned front fascia sports a bolder, more angular grille flanked by sleeker LED headlamps. The signature DRLs now extend into the bumper, giving it a sharp, futuristic glare. It's like the Scorpio just went to the gym and came back with attitude. The proportions are tighter, cleaner, and more aerodynamic. The new alloy wheel designs are not just eye-catching, they're built for performance too. Every line on the body feels intentional, giving the Scorpio a muscular yet premium stance. And yes, ground clearance remains impressive, keeping that off-road DNA alive and well. The rear has been completely revamped with striking LED tail lamps that now stretch into the tailgate. There's a dual-tone bumper, integrated reflectors, and a subtle roof spoiler that adds a sporty touch. It's still the beast you remember, but now it's dressed to impress. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that no longer just feels rugged, it feels premium. The dashboard layout has been modernized with soft-touch materials, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting. At the center is a massive touchscreen infotainment system, now powered by Mahindra's latest Adreno XAI interface. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, everything is snappy and intuitive. The all-digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable. Ventilated seats, wireless charging, connected car tech, a panoramic sunroof, it's all here. The Scorpio 2026 is no longer just a tough off-roader. It's also your connected, comfortable daily drive. Under the hood, Mahindra offers both diesel and petrol variants, with the diesel being the star of the show. Expect the tried and tested 2.2 LM Hawk turbo diesel engine, now refined further for performance and efficiency. The tuning is punchier, with a broader torque curve and smoother gear shifts, especially in the new generation 6-speed automatic. Manual lovers, don't worry, you still have your option too. For those who crave adventure, the Scorpio 2026 retains its 4x4 capability with Mahindra's updated shift-on-fly system. Whether it's rough trails or slick city roads, this SUV adapts instantly. With its new suspension tuning, the ride is noticeably more comfortable, but it hasn't lost its planted feel. Safety-wise, Mahindra hasn't cut corners. You get multiple airbags, a reinforced chassis, electronic stability control, traction management, and even Level 1 ADAS features in top variants. A 360-degree camera and front parking sensors make this large SUV feel much more manageable in tight spots. The Scorpio name has always stood for strength, reliability, and presence. But the 2026 model adds a new layer of sophistication. It's a blend of brute force and urban finesse, a vehicle that's equally at home in the city as it is in the mountains. This isn't just a facelift. It's a transformation, a leap forward in design, in technology, and in the way Mahindra sees the future of Indian SUVs. So, is the Mahindra Scorpio 2026 still the king of the road? Without a doubt, but now, it wears its crown with a bit more class, a lot more tech, and a whole new attitude. If you enjoyed this first look and want more deep dives into your favorite dream cars, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. This is the Dream Cars, where your next obsession begins. See you in the next one. Drive smart, dream big.